Hey guys, welcome back. Sorry for not having a video because I forgot to film one. But anyways, I'm having a lot of hip issues, so that's one thing that's kind of why I haven't filmed. I have so much Easter stuff that I need to go through. I do want to do an Easter video. Hopefully that will be my next video. But for today's video, you guys know I'm in the tossing plastic and silicone out of my kitchen. So I got some stainless steel knives, cookware and stuff, and I'm gonna have you guys watch me organize it. Let's organize it, get it together, have it nice and ready. I'm not gonna lie, I am still scared to use it because I've never cooked with just stainless steel nonstick because it's not nonstick. So yeah, but it's supposed to be better and healthier. So I am still nervous on that. But yeah, let's go clean that kitchen because it's a hot mess. Express.
All right, so here I am separating everything that I'm going to either sell, give away, or just toss. Honestly, most of it's going to be like to sell or give away. Um, but yeah, just gonna have a little garage sale later on in the year, so I might as well just see if I can make some money back because replacing things costs money. And we are not rich. So yeah, here I am taking everything out. My husband already had deep cleaned the outside of the cabinets, so here I am just cleaning the inside and making sure it is nice and neat for um, it to house my new pots and pans. These are the pans that we got. We actually got them from Costco. We did so much research, and these were the most affordable we can find because if you actually look up good quality pots and pans, one pan is like $500 to $1,000, and I don't have money like that, so this $200 set is gonna have to do for us for a couple of years, hopefully, fingers crossed. And then I did pick up some knives from Amazon, and I'm not really tossing a lot of knives because they cost us money as well. But I did want to get some higher quality knives, and I also picked up a couple of stainless steel sets from TJ Maxx. I got these two actually from Amazon, but the spoons themselves, I actually picked up from Marshalls and Ross. And then I did get a little dishwasher, not dishwasher, like a dish rack, a new one. It needed to be replaced, and I picked it up on Amazon. If you guys don't follow me on TikTok, I do post quite a bit on there, pretty much like 3 times a day compared to what I post on YouTube now. Um, I just get a little bit more likes and a little bit more interaction on TikTok. So that is why I kind of turned over to TikTok, and it's faster content as well. So please go ahead and follow me there if you don't already.
All right, so this is everything I took out. Like I said, we aren't gonna throw everything away. Some things, if anybody wants them, I'll go ahead and give it to them. Anything else left over, probably gonna have a garage sale. But I am planning on using some for we have cookouts and stuff. But yeah, I took most of that out, and then in here, which I'm actually making lunch right now. I have basically this. They're still plastic. They're still going to be plastic. I can't get rid of all my plastic, y'all, on silicone. Um, but yeah, my husband's lunch stuff and snack stuff, and then my new pan and my old pan. I'm keeping my old pan. I love that pan. Another little glass thing, and there's obviously some other stuff back there. We really need to find a better system for here, but as of right now, that is what it is. All right, in the drawer, I am keeping most of my knives. I'm not going to throw them all away. I'm not even going to throw them away. I'm probably just going to ask if my mom wants these or if she wants these. I did keep, show you guys. Oh, let me focus. Daughter spoon stuff, yeah, and all the stuff. These are the straws. I am actually boiling our silicone ones right now, which is good to keep them soap tasting free. Um, and then knives. I was looking a little bit. Sorry, knives, new knives. These are like the really good knives. My wooden spoons and stuff, and then the stainless steel ones. And then right here I have baking stuff and some butter knives down there. That's kind of how I want to keep it nice and clean. I don't want to get rid of those yet, but I am getting rid of those. These, I have two pizza cutters. I might give one to my sister-in-law. She has a horrible one. Um, yeah, and the baking, this is just gonna get put away. I kept these obviously for my toddler. And this little section I'm gonna give to my daughter. She can play with these, play with these. She can play with those as well because they are plastic. All right, guys, I don't even remember what I filmed, what I didn't film anymore, just because I started getting into it and I finished everything. We had dinner. I actually didn't even TikTok my dinner. If you don't follow me on TikTok, I usually put what we eat for breakfast and dinner, and if we have snacks. Um, but today, I honestly just didn't have energy after doing all that, and my hip wasn't hurting all day. So right now, as soon as I sat down, it's like, oh, okay, I'm in pain. Really wanted to do Easter baskets today, but I guess that will have to wait for next weekend. I'm gonna go ahead and take off my face. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope it isn't too short. Please don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Leave this emoji down below if you are still here, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.